Today we're learning how to achieve the deepest, most permanent black with fiber reactive dye. We're using our most popular one, number 200 Raven Black. Whether you're refreshing an old garment or dyeing something new, this method ensures a rich, lasting black. First, weigh the dry garments or fabric you are dyeing. This helps determine how much dye to use. Wondering how much dye you need? Here's a quick guide. Then pre-wash your garment using hot water and Dharma's dyer's detergent to remove any dirt, grease, or finishes that could cause blotchy dyeing. Always pre-wash even if the fabric is labeled PFD or prepared for dyeing. Now let's mix our dye. Start with making a paste by adding warm water to your dye powder. Since we are doing a darker shade like black, which requires a lot more dye, it helps to mix in 1 tablespoon of urea dissolved in 1 cup of warm water to paste up with your dye. Once it's fully mixed, add some more warm water to get it thinner, mix it some more, and then add it to your dye bath and stir well or set your machine to agitate. Boom. Next, dissolve your salt in warm water, 2 cups per gallon for the darkest shade black. Add it to the dye bath and stir or agitate. Our dye or salt dissolves so easily you can just pour it right into the dye bath. But if you're using rock or kosher salt, it is better to dissolve it first in some warm water and then add it. At this point, you can optionally add gasoline oil, which breaks surface tension for more even, less streaky results and is highly recommended for large loads. Now, add your fabric and stir gently, but frequently for 20 minutes. In a washing machine, set it to agitate, but don't let it drain out. Dissolve the soda ash with hot water and add slowly, over about 15 minutes, to the dye bath while stirring. Be careful not to pour it directly on the fabric, move that aside first. Let the fabric stay in the dye bath for another hour for the darkest black, stirring frequently or keeping the machine on agitate the whole time. Rinse in cool water until almost clear. Then wash in hot water with Dharma's dyer detergent. For some extra softness, add Dharma's textile softener to the final rinse. This method works best for natural fibers like cotton, rayon, hemp, or linen. For quicker results, consider eye dye or industrial dyes. For silk and wools, use Dharma acid dyes.